What is the date on which India celebrates its Independence Day? 15th August. Who is known as the father of the nation? Subhash Bose, Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi. Who designed the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaiah, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadaji Nauroji and Firuzshah Mehta. Pingali Venkaiah. The Indian National Congress played a significant role in India's freedom struggle. When was it founded? 1857, 1905, 1942, 1885. The answer is 1885. Who wrote the famous patriotic song Vande Mataram? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sarojini Naidu. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Which event led to the massacre of hundreds of Indians in Amritsar in 1919? Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Quit India movement, Dandi March, non-cooperation movement. The answer is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Sardar Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi. The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the national emblem of India? Lotus, peacock, tiger, lion, capital of Ashoka. The answer is lion, capital of Ashoka. Which leader is known for his role in the Salt March, Dandi March? Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Sonia Gandhi, Pratibha Patil, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi. The answer is Indira Gandhi. Which leader gave the famous Traced with Destiny speech on the eve of independence? Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh. The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the national anthem of India? सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, वंदे मातरम, जन गण मन, सारे जहाँ से महंगा. The answer is Jana Gana Mana. Who led the Quit India movement in 1942? Sardar Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi. What was the main objective of the non-cooperation movement? Boycott of foreign goods, civil disobedience, demand for separate state, armed revolution. Answer is a boycott of foreign goods. Which leader coined the famous slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is Bhagat Singh. What was the name of the famous incident in 1930 when Gandhi and others broke the SALT law? Dundee March, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Chori Chora incident, or none of the above? The answer is Dundee March. Which freedom fighter is known as the Lokmanya? Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rajendra Prasad. The answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. How long does it take to sing Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem of India? 1 minute 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 1 minute 10 seconds, 52 seconds. The answer is 52 seconds. Who was the first president of India? Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Indira Gandhi. The answer is Rajendra Prasad. What is the significance of the year 1947 in Indian history? Formation of Indian National Congress, Quit India Movement, India's independence, the war non-cooperation movement. The answer is India's independence. Please comment if you like this video. Please like, subscribe and put the bell icon on.